Good morning, everyone. So I'm getting ready to go to work. It's extremely hot. I know everyone around the world experiences the same higher temperature than usual, but here it's really hot. Like yesterday, it was like about 45 degree, and I can't sleep these days. I'm trying to buy air conditioner, but until I am ready and having my air conditioner, now I have a fan just right here. So if you hear any noise, I have my mic with this fluffy kind of a fairy cover. I hope it will help to reduce the airflow on the mic. But yeah, I need some air because it's extremely hot, and as you can see, my hair is wet. Like I spend all the day now for like maybe a week, I guess, like with wet hair all the time. So I was thinking from a while, like I want to go out to go to work or buy stuff or do anything, but in the same time I can't style my hair. When I style my hair, it just lasts for only one day, maybe half a day, because it's so hot and I sweat like a pig, like you have no idea. Especially my scalp sweat like crazy. So it destroy everything, destroy all the heat that I apply to my hair, and the humidity helped to make my hair even more crazy and just going everywhere. So I was thinking, okay, I want to style my hair in some way that looks beautiful, and at the same time I'm not gonna apply a lot of heat on my hair, especially in these times, because that will mean I'm gonna apply heat like regularly every single day on my hair, and I don't want to do that because I want to grow my hair and I don't want to like exhaust it. So that's what I came up with. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing every day now to style my hair and to do everything. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is my hair. It's wet, so just let it to like dry back on the t-shirt. And now what I'm doing, very nice, I'm gonna use this small comb and a brush, and of course I'm gonna use some cream to help it to set it in place. So I'm using Sunsilk styling cream. Is for define curl. Should be for curly hair to make a defined curl, but really helps me to hold my hair in place without using a lot of hairspray. And at the same time, when my hair is completely dry, it will not go anywhere. Like it will stay as it is. Looks beautiful and tamed and not frizzy, because I have frizzy hair. That's why I always use a keratin treatment to help my hair to reduce the frizziness, not to make it like 100% sleek, but more to make it more like tamed and looks natural without having a lot of frizzy hair. And my keratin treatment now begin to fade away a bit, so I'm gonna use this cream to help everything looks beautiful. And for the styling hair that I'm doing at the moment, like it reminds me for how I was styling it when I was a little girl. So I'm gonna use kind of a generous amount of this because it's really nice. Actually, I feel like it really hydrate my hair by doing this style. So my hair is a bit wet, not too wet, but not too dry. It's a damp, like it's 50% damp, as you can see. So there is no order to do it. So just take a nice amount. You can see I have a nice amount, and make sure I cover every single strand. Okay, that's a lot here. Okay, there's no order. And when I wash my hair, I feel like it's soft and beautiful. So I really love this cream. I guess for if you have a curly hair, that will be great. Okay, to make it stay in place. So here we go. And I'm gonna like put my hair on my t-shirt because I don't have any towel hair anyway. So next I'm gonna just like do what normal dividing here. Okay, like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna brush my hair. This is like a brush. It's for wet hair. Well, it's for wet hair too, so it's not damaging my hair when it's wet. So soft on the hair, and as you can see, really make everything like soft with no effort. Just to put it here. Okay, as you can see, it's really good. I really love this brush. And I'm using a wet brush as well, but I don't have a big brush. I have the one with the 4 bristles. I'm not gonna use it on my hair, of course. It can be used on my hair, but I'm not doing it, so as you can see. Blue. So I have my bobby pins just right here. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna do like a 5 string. So what I'm doing now, just after combing my hair, what I'm gonna do is just this part I'm gonna divide it into 2, 3 sections from here to here. Okay, and this one will be only 2 in here. Okay, and let's begin. So what I usually do, make sure it's good, and just take my tail, my comb tail, just go up here. Okay, and take it up. Okay, so it's well divided, and then I'm gonna comb it upwards and a little bit backwards. Okay, just like move this around here a bit so you can see. Okay, I don't want this to dry, so okay. And then what I'm doing, just like swirl like this. Okay, and then make sure the hair underneath is combed and sleek before I poppy pin it to the back. Okay, yep, it's good. And then just take it. Okay, and with the bobby pin I'm not gonna go like this way. I'm gonna go like this and then turn it around. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna open it. Never mind. And now what I'm gonna do, just go like this. Okay, just going like this, and take it and just go to the front. Don't go to the back, go to the front and pin. And as you can see, and nicely it doesn't go underneath the hair, so try to hide it, feel your way, and here we go. So that will make it stay on all day long. It will not go anywhere. Hope you could see it. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, I'm gonna show you again before to go. So here I'm gonna divide it here. Okay, just take it. Too much, that's too much. Okay. Okay, here and upward. Again, comb all the way up and a little bit to the back. Begin to swirl like this. Sometimes it's get tangled, so I'm gonna make it sure it's like smooth and beautiful. And then take it to the back like this. And again, take my book pin, open it, and just go. Yep, I hope you can see. And just go to like this. Okay, on the other direction. See, it's hidden, you can see it, and stay in place. It will not go anywhere, I promise. Until I come back, it will not move. That is like a lifesaver. I saw it in a YouTube hair tutorial from a while, and when I tried, it was just like, oh my god, I was doing my bobby pin wrong all that time. So yeah, again, as you can see, I took it from here because I don't want to have any kind of fly out, like air flying here. And again, swirl, and as you can see, just comb it as I go, make it smooth and beautiful. And then my hair is good. And again, take another bobby pin. Okay, and do it again. Okay, and like this. You can see? You can see. Okay. Sometimes it feels a bit tight, so just like move it around a bit. So not like pull my hair a lot, as you can see. So sleek. Okay, time to do this part. And this part I'm gonna do only 2 because you can see it doesn't like have a lot of space here, because I'm not dividing my hair from the center. Okay, so again, it's not even. Okay. Okay, and just again. Okay, make sure it's beautiful. I need a little bit of cream here because the air make it dry a bit. Okay, and that will really helps to make it stick all day without adding any hairspray. That's the point. I don't want to apply hairspray. Okay, I need to comb it again. Okay, and make sure underneath is nice. Okay, if you want to add hairspray, it's up to you, but for me, I feel this really like more than enough. Okay, have a little bit of like small tiny hair here, like flying around. Yep, that looks a bit weird done every day. What I did wrong here. Okay, let me divide it again. I don't like how it looks. Okay, I would take it just like this. Okay, a little bit lower. Yep. And here we go. Yeah, it looks better. Oh, okay. Here we go. I have no idea. I'm sweating. Make it big now. And do the same step. Okay, last one. Just take it from here up. This. So this really helps to make my hair like beautiful all day long. Okay. This is a small one, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. You do this, and then let's go to the back, like from the back to the front, and stay in place. And that's it. Like if you have a small, tiny little things you can add, but I don't really need to buy some. And what I'm doing now, like after I finish that, I will just tie my hair to the back while I'm going to work. So when I reach the office or the hospital, okay, so it will be completely dry and in the same time in the same place. So where is my hair tie? Okay, I'm gonna use this hair tie here and make my hair to the back in a small ponytail. Okay, so it's wet now, so until I reach the office it will be completely dry in this position, and my hair will dry in this position. So when I reach, just take off the elastic tie or the hair tie and just brush it with my brush. It looks beautiful. Okay, and that's the final look. And as I told you, when I went back to work, like I go to work and remove the hair tie, and it will look beautiful. So that's it. I really hope you like this video. I really hope you learn something or you enjoy watching it. In this hot weather, we pray for this to disappear. Try your best to like, I don't know what we need to do as a human beings to help our planet. I made a video about it yesterday, and I don't know what we need to do to help all that to go away or reduce that. I don't know, but I guess I'm gonna do a meditation. And again, if you know any kind of meditation group that can help to increase the energetic frequency of the planet, let me know. I'd be so happy to do a group meditation. I never did it before, but I really want to. So if you're into meditation like me and you know someone or some group, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to join. I love our planet, and without it we will not be here. So, and this physical form, of course, but yeah. Anyway, so have a great day, guys. And it's Tuesday, so I hope this day will be beautiful on everyone and every single living soul on this planet. And I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you. Bye.